consultant.
Since bringing right now Hugh Odom. He's a former attorney for AT&T and founder of
Here to further
Vertical
discuss the big
Consultants,
concerns
which
surrounding.
If I showed up on your doorstep tomorrow and said, I want to lease a portion of your land over there, I want to lease it for 50 years. Here's how much I'm going to pay you. I'm not going to commit for any period of time, but I can walk away whenever I want to. In addition, I'm going to lease a portion of that property out to other people and make money off of it. And you don't make any of that. You're responsible for all the expenses associated with your property, and I keep all the profits. Would you sign that agreement with me? Probably not, but cell tower companies do it every day. Because property owners don't understand exactly what they're signing when they're signing a cell tower lease. You need to understand the value of your property to that cell tower company and how to make sure that you're getting true passive income through getting the expenses paid by the cell tower company. No taxes, no utilities, no maintenance. Do you know who this man is right here? Well, his name is Don King. His famous saying was, only in America, and only in America could you be asked to sign a cell tower lease without knowing all the terms of it. But it happens every day. Cell tower companies will come up to you and say, look, I want you to agree to the rent, the escalator, the term of the lease, and then I'll tell you about the rest of the terms. It's only in America that you can believe that would happen. Would you agree to let me use your land if I told you just how much rent I'm going to give you, but not told you all the conditions of how I'm going to rent your property, how much money I'm going to make off your property, what restrictions I'm going to put on your property and on you? No, you wouldn't. So why would you do that with a cell tower lease? You should. Have you been approached for a new cell tower lease in your property? Well, here are 3 questions you need to ask to make more money. 1, does a cell tower company have a commitment from a wireless carrier to go on that tower? Sounds kind of odd, but some cell tower companies are coming out and speculating. They just want to enter into a long-term agreement with you, but they'll never build the tower. The second, if they answer, hey, we have a commitment, is when are you going to build the tower? Don't let them have a long-term option to use your land. That means you're not getting paid and they're just holding that space on hold until they possibly build a cell tower. Your property becomes encumbered and you're getting nothing. And third is, how much money are you going to make? I know you need to know this because if you don't understand what they're getting out of your property, how can you understand what you need to charge them for that use? If you want to learn more about a cell tower agreement, hit the subscribe button. Get more money, get a better lease, get vertical.